And I think we are good to go. All right. So my name is Abhishek, guys, and today we are going to talk about Build, the premier user-side wing of Culp Studio, where we innovate, where we talk to people, to our users, and build innovative things. So the name itself suggests build. So build is more of about user interaction, building great things such as D apps, and overall reducing and helping engineers build great things in lesser amount of time and quicker in more quicker ways. And that's how we are changing or revolutionizing this dynamics, this domain. So I think most of you know about build. This is the second time we are doing it. It's build 2.0, and we are again having this meetup to announce the introduction of and the kickoff of our second virtual hackathon. So without wasting time, let me just present my screen and we'll show you what all things we have this time for you guys and how we can work together to build a great future for all of us. All right. So can anybody just confirm if my screen is visible? All right. So here we go. We have built with us, and we have our new hackathon that is going to start from 26th of November till 30th. And this is the second time it is happening. The last time the results were tremendous. A lot of people joined us, created new products, new D apps over different blockchains. And overall, it was a journey which started with like minded people, which wanted to change how things happen in Web3. And today we are going to talk all about it. So, as we all know, this is the blockchain hackathon and this is happening virtual. So, anybody who wants, they can participate by just registering on build.culp.studio. They can just come in. They can also join as a team. There's a limit of 4 people per team, and you can, take part in this virtual hackathon. So we have two different kind of competitions. The overall prize money is 100,000 INR, and let me just talk about what all things we cover. So we have two different kind of competitions happening this time. One is the junior, another one is senior. The junior one will go on for 48 hours, starting from 26th and ending on 28th. And then the second one is starting from 26th and it's going to take all the way till 30th of November. So there are two parts. How does it work? All you need to do is once you register in junior competition, you will have to create, you will have different set of examples of D apps of smart contracts. You have to use them. You need to use Culp Studio in order to develop it. And once you develop it, you need to submit it, make documentation so that it's easier for people to understand. And basically, taking it live and deploying it over the blockchain. So you can register you can be from college or institutions. It's for everyone, be it a company or be it a community or be it an individual who wants to take part in it. Everybody, it is open for all. Then we also have learning materials, how to do it, when to do it, where exactly you will find all of the data that is available in the document section. So you can just go in and it is a, you know, you can find out answers for all of your queries, then be it dev documentation or step-by-step guides, right from how to sign up, then all the way to deploying things and making things work. Then be it API gateways or API key generations or faucets, how does it work, how the platform works, everything is available in the documents. Talking about Culp Studio. So Culp Studio is basically a platform which simplifies the blockchain development and through innovative solutions. So a lot of you who are over here, who are listening to this, are already developing DApps, who are already contributing to the society, who are already contributing to the Web3 world. Now, what Culp Studio has done differently is it has reduced the time through its products. We have numerous products, which I'll be talking about in a while. Overall time reduction that we have done is approximately 90% in terms of development time. We have 10x more faster deployments. We have already have 20 plus DApps which are already deployed through us. And then we also have our own Culp chain. Our system is currently provide, through our system, you can already deploy smart contracts on Ethereum, on Culp DLT. Then we also have our own products. For example, we also provide you storage services. So let's say if you're deploying anything and you want to keep your files on a cloud storage, that is possible. We also have a token creator platform through which you can simply create tokens in less than 30 minutes. Then we also have a Culp Instant Deployer through which you can deploy your smart contracts. Then we have the API gateways through which you can actually call in your APIs, which I'm going to show you. All of those things are already available. Then we are also changing the part how it happens in the supply chain. So let's say if you want to deploy anything on the blockchain and it's related to or it's for the supply chain and which is the next big thing happening in Web3, that is also possible. All you need to do is you can just create your account on Culp Studio. We are currently giving away $50 worth of credit through which you can actually subscribe to different services. As we can see on the screen, we have, as I was talking about, Culp Storage. You can, manage multiple account storages. We also have Culp Instant Deployer, through which you can build and, deploy smart contracts. Then we also have NFT Creator. So if you're a guy who wants to turn art into NFTs, you can do that in a few clicks. Then we also have Tokenify, through which you can actually tokenize the assets, the real world assets. And then we also have the options of private blockchain, which we provide to organizations who want to deploy who want to keep their data over blockchain but private. So all of those things are available. You can connect your own wallets. We also have wallet services. They're already live. And then you can it works seamlessly with testnet as well as mainnet, so you can deploy across all of those. So this is what we bring into the table this time with more of the services. Coming back to build, we, as I was talking to you, we have the junior challenge, which covers the on-chain certification, and then we have the senior challenge, which is more of about creating the apps from the very scratch. So this is what we have in with us as of now, and to create, to innovate, and to bring things and people together. All right. So this was about build. We can have, questions. If you have any queries, you can ask them. Again, not to, mention what all things that you need to do is you need to come on build.culp.studio, from where you can log in, you can sign up your accounts and register. The registrations are open till the last day of the, the hackathon, which is 30th of November. And the submission, all of those things are mentioned on the hackathon page, the challenges. You can just come in, you can just click on register now. You can put up your details over here. The very first member, like let's say if you're a team, the very first member of each team will be the team lead, and only they will be able to deploy things or submit things or submit the DApps over the platform. All right. So that was all about Culp build that we have. Any questions? If you want to ask Sun anything, you can just put it in the comment box as well. Apart from this, you can also join to remain quickly updated about what is happening in Hackathon and what is happening in Culp Studio. You can join our Discord channel, the Telegram community. We keep everything posted over there. All right. How can I see the challenges? Okay, so for that, you need to log in. You need to sign up first. You need to register first. Once you've done that, you can just go onto the Hackathon page and the challenges will be visible to you. The challenges will go live on for senior for senior and junior both challenges on 8 a.m. on the very first day, that is 26th of November. All right. Any other questions? Can you please show us the page where it will be shown here? All right. So, for example, I've already logged in. I can just go onto the hackathon page. Over here, currently it's showing me register now. Once I register, let me just quickly show it to you. Let's say I'll put up a team name, for example, Goers, name of the company or institute. For example, I'm trans. I'll just put up my name. All right. And I can just click confirm and just click on. Well, I've already, I can check for email and then we can just see. Coming back to the part. So you can see all of the things which are available over here. All right. So does the IPF, okay, there's another question. Does the IPFS work in Gulps works like Pinata? Okay, so these are two different things. I think I'm not the right or authorized person to talk about more in detail, but then for all of these things, you can just go on to the into the documentation section of the Gulp Studio, and then all of the things will be readily available for you. If you have any questions, also apart from this, if you want to know more about things in detail, you can just go on to Discord or Telegram and you can ask your questions, and our DevRels will be more than happy to help you with the answers. All right. Anybody else? Any other questions? All right. So we'll be waiting for you guys in the registration part and eagerly waiting for you to join the hackathon and see where it goes from there. Best of luck to all of the teams who have registered so far, and let's build it together.